Alright guys, we're halfway there. We're going to Hampton, Virginia, picking up a F80 M3. Quick little pit stop when we're on the way. We'll be there soon.
Toward Durham.
Alright guys, so we made it here to the Copart auction. Getting the F80 loaded up right now. Right there. Alright, we just got it loaded up. I'm about to strap her down and head out. Let's check out the car first before we do all that. It does come with the carbon ceramics, F80 comp, 6-speed manual. Also comes with the individual, I forgot what it's called, some type of brown interior. Airbags did deploy, steering wheel, knee, seatbelt, and curtain. But yeah. Arrived, unloading the F80 right now. Just a little sketchy, but alright guys, we got the car off. A little front end hit, not too bad. Auxiliary intercooler or something, whatever it's called. Need one of those. Suspension's probably a little damaged. Should be a quick fixer-upper. Alright, so check out the damage we got right here. Just needs a few control arms and we're back in the game. Ooh, dang, that tire is nasty. We're gonna put on a spare for now. This comp wheel is a little bit damaged, but I think it might be still good. What do we got? We got an F80 competition here. Carbon fiber roof, carbon ceramic brakes. Dang, son, we got the good deal, bro. This is the cheapest carbon ceramic package M3 we got, and it's individual. Check out the interior. Show us, Donnie. Show us, Donnie. Here, let me show you guys. All right. Like I was showing y'all in the whenever we were picking up the car. Beautiful interior. We already got the new airbag. We just gotta put it in actually. Yeah. Looking spicy. Let me do a little quick shift. Let's feel the clutch. Oh boy. Dang, he got the little clutch pedal grips too on there. You see the tapped into the pedals? We're gonna be devious on this car once it's done, especially Ruby. He's a menace behind the wheel. All right, we stealing one of Ruby's wheels. Dude, we gotta go. Steal it real quick, load it in. Let's go. Nah, my boy's just gonna check if it's not bent. Huh? Ruby's gonna pull up soon. Oh, we gotta get going then. Holy cow. Yeah, ain't no saving that. All right, guys, back at it. Ruby just dropped off the M3. M3 competition, as he likes to call it. It is. Got a dent or two on the door. I gotta take care of the Bondo. He's got an OEM fender. Only. And OEM hood that we're gonna blend it onto there. And then this bumper, it's got a little bit of a crack going. We're gonna plastic weld it, Bondo and primer it. Yeah. This thing is a beast. And he already got a new OEM comp wheel because you seen that video, we couldn't balance it. Holy cow. Yeah, ain't no saving that. But yeah, we're not including that. He's got the wheel, so it's good to go. And he changed all suspension and everything is good. He just needs to get an airbag. He already installed the steering wheel airbag. And that's about it. Should be good to go. And a windshield. Put the fender on. All right, so right here, I mocked the fender up. Gaps are looking good. And then from the side angle, that's looking pretty good too. There's just a little dent right here. I think I'm gonna have to knock in this a little bit. And then it should be good to go. So I'm gonna take the fender off, knock it in, put the fender back on, make sure everything lines up perfect. Start the body work on that door. And then little tiny dent right here on the hood. I guess I rock chipped it or something. You can see it when the light hits it right there. And then we got the front bumper. I already started plastic welding it and sanded it down right here. So I'm gonna put some fiberglass in there to reinforce it really nicely so it doesn't crack or come back apart. And then throw some putty on there and it should be good to go. And then it's ready to get primed up. Oh yeah, now we should be good to go. All right, for a proper paint job, you need to take the door apart from the outside. So that involves taking the mirror off because we got to remove the molding trim underneath, and then take the handle off and it should be good to go. All right, guys, gonna go update y'all guys real quick. Everything is sanded, blocked out the primer right there, got the fender sanded. Also already sprayed the jams inside, as you could tell. This thing is prepped, ready to go. Blocked out the door, sanded that. Blocked out the front bumper. This thing is ready to go. Eliminated 95% of the rock chips that were on it. So I'm really happy with the outcome. Let's start shooting some sealer on this thing. Or first of all, let's wax and grease remove everything. Tag rag it and get going. Boy, came out so good. Probably don't even need to buff it. Laid out so nice. All right, Ruby, tell us what you got. Tell us what you got.
We rebuilt the POS.
All right, M3 is rebuilt, good to go. What you got to say, brother?
A little bit of adjustment here and there on the
Just
gap.
got to fix that gap, but other than that, man, headlight all programmed up. This thing looks like a beast. Wheel.
Shoot, I forgot. Wait, redo it. You better go swing this shit, nigga.
Alright guys, if you made it this long into the video, I know you enjoyed the video. You're all the way at the end, so might as well hit that subscribe button and watch another video if you're, I don't know, if you want to. But at least subscribe, help out the channel, hit the like button, you know. And thanks for watching today's video.